Here is SmugMug app, store and share photos. Unlimited, full resolution, secure. Super interesting app, especially for photo lovers. Photo sales tools, order details, on the go proofing. So unlimited storage for your photos, auto upload. So, if you're, if you're a photographer, if you need some marketing sales tool for that, this is pretty cool app to try out. Every photograph has a future. SmugMug is where it happens. Storage, sharing, and security all in one place. From phone photographers and casual point and shooters to full-time photography professionals, SmugMug is the app of choice for displaying, sharing, and protecting your photos from anywhere. Unlimited storage, secure photo protection, auto upload, sharing, offline viewing, organizing bookmarks. So yeah, here you can then just see this app. Easy sharing, and then you can then just open it up and start your 14-day free trial in here. And so that's the idea. You need to create an account to start your free trial. Or the alternative, you just need to log in here. Also, you can then just search for people. So for example, you can then just search for some people. You can see their folders, events. So for example, you can see some photos from that. I don't know, so this is the public accessible photos from someone, which I guess you can also purchase. Some of these photos, as you can see, are super old. So yeah, this app was here for a while. This was like a website, but now they just have an app. And so that's basically what it is. And so that's the idea.